Court is calling 2025 CR 007801 State versus Darlene Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced for the record? State.
Your Honor, good morning. Frankie Sandoval on behalf of Ms. Gonzalez.
And are you Ms. Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
We have, Judge.
Are there any applications in this case?
Your Honor, you know what there is, there's an application for deferred, which I do not believe may be part of what's presented to the court. We may present that after we do the plea.
All right. And is it an application for deferred?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Gonzalez, do you want the court to consider an application for deferred adjudication in this case? All right. Have you reviewed the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Gonzalez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She is, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
In my opinion, yes.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Gonzalez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a $1,000 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
There have not, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State offers States Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection, Judge.
State, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing state's exhibits one and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Your Honor, in the interest of justice, we would ask.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, Ms. Gonzalez presents herself here accepting responsibility and just wanting to start the process of putting this behind her.
All right, who is Kenneth Ray Jackson?
Kenneth Ray Jackson
Mhm.
is a friend of mine.
All right, not your boyfriend?
No, he's not my boyfriend.
You don't have any children together?
No,
You don't live together?
no,
Do you have any children?
no, I don't.
All right, who do you live with?
I live with my mom.
And when's the last time you had employment?
A year maybe. About
Okay.
a year.
Why?
Honestly, I don't have a reason really. It's I help my mom because she's sick. She has kidney problems.
All right, that's not employment. Yeah.
But yeah, I'm just constantly busy watching her.
So how are you all able to pay for house, the utilities and everything?
Well, my boyfriend pays everything for me.
Who is your
right now.
boyfriend?
Terry Jones.
And why were you driving a U-Haul with this friend?
With Terry Jones, I was not driving.
No, I mean, I'm talking about the other
okay,
guy,
okay.
Jackson.
Well, that U-Haul that we're driving, it wasn't. It was paid for by a friend of.
No. I'm asking, why were you in a U-Haul with this Jackson person if you have a boyfriend that you say pays for everything?
He was just a friend, and he was just helping me. Like,
Helping you do what?
We're helping moving stuff
With what?
with the U-Haul.
No, I mean, why do you have a U-Haul? That's what I'm trying to understand.
How to move things around in our storage, like move from a storage to another storage, because we had to have our storage. I think out of our storage to another storage out.
I'm sorry, what?
We're moving from one storage to another storage.
Okay. Okay. All right. So this is what the court is going to do. There's $1,000 fine. That will be probated. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 40 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. You're going to have to get a job.
Okay.
Field visits one time per month until further notice. 200 hours of community service restitution. 100 of those hours will be deducted upon completion of a theft course. Is there any issues with you with drug use?
No.
There's to be no contact with Kenneth Ray Jackson. Probation, is there anything else? Oh, I'm sorry, 4 years deferred adjudication.
Or do you want her to report to?
Where does she live? All right. How far is New Braunfels?
It's just like 45 minutes.
And is your mother living in New Braunfels?
Yes.
All right, Miss Abrams, is it possible to get field visits in New Braunfels by that probation office?
Like,
And what county is New Braunfels?
wow.
Do you want your probation transferred to Comal County?
No, it'll be fine here.
All right, she does not want it transferred.
Okay, good.
All right, is there anything else, probation?
No, ma'am.
Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. So here's the thing. How old are you?
I'm 32.
All right, so you're too old for this, to be doing this type of thing, and you're too old not to have employment. All right? So it's okay for you to help your mom, but helping your mom should not be you're bringing your boyfriend to live with you all. That's a no-no because that's your mom's house, not yours. So you need to get employment so you can support yourself. You understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.